Welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run shoe shopping cart website project. As you can scroll down little, you can see this is the project ID. You can search by this in our website. Little lower you can find the options to download the source code, which is not more than 50 MB, and project documentation also with clear explanation of the project, which are downloaded as zip file. Now go to the new tab and go to the XAMPP installation website, where you can find the installation files for different operating system. Choose based on your operating system. I have already installed XAMPP on laptop. Let's go the downloaded project file folder. You can find the two folder, one is source code folder and another documentation folder. Extract the zip files into separate folders. Let's see, once documentation folder you will find the Word file to access the backend and database file. Let's move to the shoe shopping cart website folder. Open the shoe shopping cart website folder and you can find all the PHP files, images, templates, and also the database.sql database file. Also here .xampp is also installed. So we have all necessary files here. Next continue to. Now copy the whole Bata shoes folder to the XAMPP folder which was created during installation and go to Hide Docs and paste the file there. Now half of our work is completed and you can see the database.sql file at the most important file. Now we need to go the start menu and run the XAMPP control panel using the admin rights and start both Apache and MySQL and make sure they are started successfully. As my system is running slow because of too many software process are running in the background. Make sure you kill all other process before running this project. As the Apache uses port 80443 and the MySQL uses the 3306 port. Go to the PHP MyAdmin panel and click on the new and add the database named copied from the Bata shoe folder, which is Bata should, and make sure no spelling mistakes which doing this and click on create. Database folder is created and now we need to import the .sql file. Next you need to upload the batashub.sql file to our batashub database from the Bata shoe Ecommerce folder, which is located in the Hide Docs. It takes time based on the file size of the SQL, and be a little patient. And now on the choose file and move to the Hide Docs folder and Ecommerce shoe folder and batashub.sql file. When we upload it, not only directly uploads but compiles the whole .sql files and return errors too. Make sure you compile the .sql before uploading into the MySQL server as it takes time. It contains the data about admin, orders, items, feedback, etc. Great here. As you can see 28 queries were successfully uploaded. Now go the new tab and move to the location localhost index and you can find the Bata shoe Ecommerce folder and click on it. Hooray, you can see our website is live and running seamlessly. You can see the home page here. Now when you click on ladies menu you will find the variety of sandals, variety of boots, sports shoes too. Now in men category you will find the two types, one is boots and sanduk. Boots of various variety and 3 models of sanduk. You can also find similar in the kids category too. You can also login panel for the admin using the ID number. So this is the shoe Ecommerce website created using the PHP and MySQL database and simple to run. This is all about the Ecommerce of shoe shopping cart website project using the PHP. You can also join our YouTube channel Kashipara. Please share and subscribe our channel.